Sorry, forgive my voice, but I kind of lost it a little bit. So while I was picking up Barbies, I got a call from my husband who told me that he had left me a little surprise. This apparently is it. Says, hello, I left this for you to open. I think you'll like what you find inside. I left a few hints on the table too. Enjoy, Fun Dad Esquire. I'm sorry. Okay, apparently this is what he meant by couldn't use Play-Doh. He's taped a My Little Pony bag. Apparently we're going to have a My Little Pony. Oops. You put that pretty little bow on top and I just knocked it off. And apparently there will be something frozen in there. Ooh, I think a blind box. Awesome. So let us see what Fun Dad has left in here. Got this lowered so you can laugh at me as I pull this off and everything is going to go everywhere. Everything's gonna go everywhere. Ah, okay. That is so full that I kind of have to see if I can... Yeah, I think I'm just gonna have to set a couple of them out here. Wow, he definitely... Ooh, he got a little gold egg in there, I see. Let me start with this. Oh, that's cute. It's a little LaLaLoopsy sticker book. Oh, he knows I love LaLaLoopsy. This is so cute. Look at that. Oh, look at the pot of spaghetti. All the spaghetti's coming out. That is adorable. Little fruity drink. Oop. Breaking the sticker book already. Breaking the sticker book already. Huge cheeseburger. About as big as all the girls in this book. Not sure who's going to eat it. Cute. Oh, the placing on the back. Oh, that's cute. Maybe if we have enough time. You know what? What the heck? We'll do it now. Let's see. We'll take this. Stand her over here. Waving hello. Maybe we'll give her the hat with the rabbit. Little magic trick hat. She can be the mime doing magic. So there, she's got her magic trick hat. Ah, ripping those stickers. Alright, we'll stick her over here so she can be hiding behind this tree and watching the magic act. And since it looks like she's got clouds behind her, we'll stick her up here in the clouds. That is really cute. I like that a lot. Let's see. Oh, Hello Kitty. She's an eraser, I think. So here's Hello Kitty. Ooh, Kristoff. We get Kristoff. He's so cute. Let's see. Oh, he's adorable. Focus on him a little bit better. Let's focus on you, Kristoff. What do you like? What do you do? Okay. Ooh. Oh. Adorable little ring. Oh, look at that. Hold on, let me get my Shopkins list. Ooh. This is fun. Ah, another one. I wonder if this will be another Shopkins. What do you think? Oh, it is. I think there's another one we don't have yet. Sparkle. He's cleaning supply. Oh, yep. And there he is. Oh, that's an interesting sound. What do you think that is? Put a comment right now in the description below and see what you think it is, and then we'll see if you're right. The unusual sound. Okay. Oh. Oops. That is adorable. Look at that. All right, let's stick Minnie right there. She's going on the keychain. That's for sure. Oh. Another strange sounding one. Sounds like there's a lot of parts in there. Okay. A little afraid of this one. Okay, here. Oh, it's a Kreos Spongebob. I do wish his mouth would come off so you could turn it like upside down, make him smiling. All right. What's next? Ooh, bouncy, wobbly, bobbly. Oh, it's a fashion. Oh, all right. So cute. We already have a couple of these squishy pony fashions. I really like them. They're very cute, but the paint does come off of the eyeballs and sometimes off the hair, but more off the eyeballs. But they're super cute. Squishy, squishy, bump. Hey, bump. Ow, stop doing that. Sorry. Okay, here you go. Sorry about that. Sorry. There you go. All right, what's next? Ooh, sounds like something good. Oh, little Anna doll, and she's playing with the little toys. Anyway, she has the most adorable little freckles. Look at, she has this little part of her mouth going up into like a halfway smile, and her eyes are crossed. That's so cute. I like these little dolls too. Look at that. Little princess dolls. Even the Disney princesses play with little Disney princesses. Such cute detail. Look at that. Little flowers around the edge of her dress. She's got the bow. She's pretty well painted for a doll like that. That's cute. Okay, you gotta go over here next to Kristoff. He's going to defeat... Whoa. Whoa. He's already taken people out. It's okay, Sven. You can stand up still. So cute. He'll turn her sideways so you can see her cutie mark. Cutie marks are so cutie. Probably why they're called cutie marks.